yeah. Oh my God. What's going on, guys? So I'm back at the shop. I just got off work. Today's not going to be too long of a video. I'm just going to do a little bit on the Miata, do some maintenance and whatnot. Like I said in the previous video, when I showed you the car, it was leaking brake fluid from the left rear wheel, and I don't know where it's coming from. I'm pretty sure it's the bleeder, so I'm just going to replace the caliper. So come over here, pop this sucker open. Got myself a nice new caliper in here, new clips, new banjo bolt and everything. If you're gonna do this though, if you're gonna replace a caliper, I don't know if you guys know this, but there's a core charge on calipers when you buy them. So the caliper itself was, I think, $62 or something, and the core charge was $77. So the core charge is more than the part itself. I don't know why, that seems a little crazy to me, but anyway, just if you go and buy a caliper, something that needs a core, make sure you bring the part with you. You're gonna have to pay a lot more than just the part. But yeah, I'm gonna jack this thing up, get the wheel off, and I'll take you along with me doing this. All right, so since this thing is lifted, I'm just gonna jack it up from right here, you know? Why not? Nice and easily accessible now. Oh, and when it comes to alignments, look at that. Your centrics are right there. Man, there's no reason not to cut the body off of your car, honestly. So I'm just gonna lift this up. Actually, funny side note, since this thing is lifted, the jack stand literally slides right under this thing. I think that's pretty funny. All right, got the wheels off the ground. Just gonna throw these on here. Better be safe than sorry. Up here. That's the neighbor's car. Oh. Whoops. Let's just bring it up a little bit, just to be safe. All right, that's probably where I'm gonna leave it. So probably do some type of time lapse changing this caliper over, so you don't have to sit here and watch me do the whole thing. So. Alright, well, I just dropped the ratchet in the drain pan, which is full of nasty liquids. But I got one of the caliper bolts off. I use a cheater bar, but I got it. Ugh, nasty. Let me see if I can get the other one off. Ooh, it's gonna be close. I got it. Ooh, I should let the e-brake down. Alright, I don't know if this is going to be a good angle or not, but I'm going to try it out. Hopefully it is. Take this 10 mil, I guess you could call it a bolt, out. And then, yep, just like I thought. These pads just slide right up. So I'm just going to take these pads out. They're pretty crusty, not going to lie. Oh boy, they're really crusty. So this is for your e-brake. So this is a 14. Where's my other one? And this side's a 14. So hold them together. Probably should have done this as well when it was on the car. You know what? I'm putting it back on for a second. So go towards me. Aha. Just like that. Should slide out of there, just like that. Put that out of your way for a minute. Take the banjo bolt off. Let me put the rotor back on here before I forget. Boom. All right, take your drip pan. Take your 12 mil, yeah, 12 mil. Loosen this sucker up. And just like that, caliper is off. If you replace your caliper, always replace the crush washers just to be safe. Maybe in here with one of the crush washers. Wow. Slide that in there. Wait to put this next one on. Do you have the caliper? Alright, so that took way longer than it needed to. I had to actually put this in the vise to get it out, it was so tight. Alright, so the new crush washer goes right here. Banjo bolt goes like so. And threads into the new caliper. Tighten her up a little bit so she don't leak. Alright, so we got new clips over here. 2 clips, like so. 2 springs. Throw it over here for this slide pin and hold these in place, I guess, and slip it over. Oh, that wasn't that bad. Take your 12 and tighten up your banjo bolt a little more. Alright, so I'm going to show you how I bleed them. It's different if you have 2 people, obviously it helps if you have 2 people, but I'm by myself right now. So what I got rigged up over here is just this Gatorade bottle, the hanger on it, hanging from right here. Got this vacuum hose that comes into the bottle, goes around to the bleeder. Now, it's submerged in fluid right here, so I'm gonna crack this open and I'm gonna pump the pedal, but since it's submerged in fluid, the hose is, it won't suck air in, it'll just push fluid out, essentially. So that's what I gotta do because I'm by myself, so. I'm gonna do that real quick. Alright, so I bled that wheel. That worked how it should. I'm actually gonna go around to all the wheels and do it. You're supposed to start with the right rear wheel, then go to the left rear, then the right front and left front. You're supposed to go from the farthest wheel from the master cylinder first. So I'm gonna just bleed those real quick. Alright guys, so I know this wasn't a long video, but I just wanted to have something for you guys to watch. I wanted to do something on the car, so figured you might as well film it, you know. Hopefully I'm going to be getting the roll cage soon. I'm going to get a 6-point. I'm going to have a main hoop, 2 bars that come off the back, and then 2 door bars. So yeah, I think I'm just going to end the video here. Like I said, I know it's a short one, but hope you enjoyed it a little bit. And anyway, I'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you later. Alright, so we're going to do a thing real quick before I end this video. You know what's going on. Oh yeah. Oh my God. Now that's what I'm talking about. Alright, I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.